Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and I am so happy to have you here. I am super excited for today's video because I got a new dining room table and chairs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I would love to have you here. I post all kinds of cleaning motivation, mobile home updates and makeovers on a budget, and more. Now let's get at it and get it done. So this is the table that I got it used and I really like it. It's an IKEA table and you can put this side down and this side down so it just creates this square, but I'm probably not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it opened up. So it's this, I believe this is called a saddle style. I have to straighten this leg out like that one, but I still have to clean it. And I like that it has this drawer so I can keep like coasters and placemats in here if they're not in use. But this is what it looks like, and at first I thought that it was white on like the legs and stuff, but it's actually gray, so I like that a lot better than the white since the room is white. But this is what it looks like, and then I've got 4 chairs. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna clean it really good. I think I'm gonna clean it with just some powdered Tide, or I may wipe it off with vinegar. I don't want to do anything that could like harm this wood. I wouldn't use bleach on this because I know sometimes bleach with wood like this can not have a really good outcome, but I'm going to do that and then clean the floors and get it set up in here. First, I'm going to vacuum and mop the room since it's empty. I already got rid of my other dining room table, and if you're new here, I will link my dining room makeover in the description box below. That way you can see what the table before looked like, as well as the transformation of this room.
You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. Nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love.
I would describe my style as a minimalist Scandinavian. I love using neutral colors with very minimal decor. When I do use decor, I make sure it's something that I really love. For an example, I love the pictures in my dining room because I love horses, and I also love the ocean because it's just so calming and beautiful. I would say that over the past 5 years or so, I have really kind of embraced more of a minimalist lifestyle, and I love it. I find that having less stuff makes me happy. I used to have tons of stuff and decor everywhere, and to me, it just felt really cluttered. And it was always so hard to keep everything clean, but now with having less stuff, it's so much easier to keep things tidy and just relax.
Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beachy sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't it a me crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size, not enough room for
Now I'm going to bring the table and chairs into the dining room. So I don't know if I had already mentioned this before, but my mom found this table on Marketplace and we got a really good deal on it. Y'all already know that I love to shop secondhand and save money, and I always say buy used when you can because you can get great items when you're on a budget.
Bring it down in life, you know. Breathing out there for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaches sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a good life. Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering her faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaches sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
Don't wanna say goodbye, yeah. Want your skin on.
I decided to use the Dawn's Power Wash Spray instead of powdered Tide because I wasn't sure if I could use the Tide on this type of wood. The Dawn's Power Wash Spray also works really well on kitchen stains, so I figured that it would work really well in case there was any stains on the table.
This is the last time it could count now, baby. Yeah, darling, please pull me closer. It's not over until it's over. I know we get it all we got. Yeah, we try. Side by side, side, but I get it. Sometimes love's just not enough when you try. Side by side, but things don't get better.
here is kind of like dipping down some. So I think up under here, I can actually just tighten these screws up. So I'm gonna try to do that and see if it fixes it.
What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the
Okay, and that seemed to have fixed it. It's straight now, so that did the trick.
same, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name.
So right here I put the placemats on and I like them, but I wanted to see all of the wood, so I decided to take them off for now.
Feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world.
I found these beautiful roses at Publix and I figured they would add a nice natural pop of color.
Looking back at this, we were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. Dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on.
Okay, so this is what it looks like and I really like it. It's very minimal and it has that Scandinavian look that I like, and I love this wood. I love all of IKEA stuff really, but I love this type of wood color. And I like the chairs, I like the gray on it, I like the fact that it has a drawer so I can keep the coasters and stuff in it. And I decided to not put the placemats. I'm sure I'll probably put them back eventually, but for now I'm liking kind of how bare it is. And I do want to get a washable gray rug to put in here just to kind of pull the room together, and just overall I think it'll look really nice that way. But I do want a washable gray one. And this is it. This is what it looks like, and these flowers turned out really pretty. I absolutely love how the table turned out and how it makes the room look. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you're new here, make sure to check out my dining room makeover link below. That's going to be it for today's video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell on so you never miss out on a new video. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all!